What's up, you guys? Welcome back. So today I am super excited. We are going to be trying out the new Morphe Icy Fantasy Palette, and I really want to do like a first impressions review, chit chat, just random video. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then make sure to keep on watching. So as I said in the intro, we are going to be playing with the Morphe Icy Fantasy Palette. I absolutely love this palette. It is super inspiring for spring looks and like all these pastel looks. And I bought this a couple months ago before like the world stopped working. I have not messed with this. It has just been sitting here. I've swatched it a couple times, but I have not messed with this at all. I'm gonna go do my eyebrows off camera and then I will zoom you guys in and we will get started. Okay, I am back. I got my eyebrows on. I already primed my lids with just some concealer and some powder. So I'm looking at these colors and I think I want to do like somewhat of a halo eye, but like super blown out. I think I'm gonna start with the outer corner. I'm gonna go for this periwinkle-ish shade right here. And first I'm gonna pack it on my outer corner and then I'm gonna try to like blow it out a little bit. Something about like dipping into a brand new palette just makes my face hurt. So actually what I'm doing is kind of like packing it on with my finger because I guess I kind of made a mistake by setting my lid. These pastels like aren't showing up very well with the brush, but thank God quarantine got my nails looking fucked up. I would never be able to do this. I'm just packing it out here, like really focusing on just trying to deepen up the color, not so much focusing on blending or anything like that. So before I blend and whatnot, I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the other eye. So I really like this color, but I kind of, like in my mind, I thought it was gonna be a little more like purplish. So I think I'm gonna go into the purple in this palette, this one right here, and just like the smallest bit, I'm just gonna put it right on top. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my Morphe M507 and I'm just gonna mix between the purple and the blue and just try to kind of blend this out a little bit. Like I said, I want this kind of blown out, so I'm kind of doing like super sloppy blending. Okay, so it looks super sloppy and crazy, but that's what makeup wipes are for. So I think next I'm gonna work on the inner corner. For the inner corner, I'm gonna go with this peachy pink. And honestly, brushes have not been working very well with this. I think they probably would if you had like a sticky base. So I think I'm just gonna keep trying to use my fingers. I'm just dipping into that peach shade and I'm gonna throw that right on the inner corner. I'm trying to leave just like a little space between these two colors in the middle, kind of to give it like a halo effect. Now I feel like I have that packed on pretty well, so I'm gonna dip into it with that same Morphe M507 and just blend out the edges. Okay, so next, I think I might regret what I'm about to do. I really want to go in with this color. It's like a chartreuse. I've never said that word before, but I want it to show up. So I think I'm gonna put like the tiniest bit of concealer right there in the middle. Ooh, I think I did something. So I'm kind of just packing it on and then I'm getting a FaceTime call.
Hey, yo, man, what's up, girl? I cut off my hair.
Oh my god, I thought it was up! I almost choked on my spit. So my camera stopped recording. I don't know when, so I don't know what you saw. Basically, I just went ahead and kept blending in this yellow with everything. I kind of made the pink come like out a little bit. I don't know if you can tell. I will warn you, like pastel looks look really weird until you're completely finished. So trust the process. I'm pretty happy with how this is turning out so far, but I think I'm gonna do a little wing and I'm so scared because I think I'm gonna mess this up. I have not tried this before. This is the Araceli liquid liner. I got this in my Ipsy bag. I'm gonna like speed this up so you guys can watch me struggle, but like in fast forward. You guys, I'm so scared. Like, I'm not even breathing right now. I refuse to tell you how long that just took me in real time. Like I'm not telling you. So obviously I can't do the lower lash line until I do my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my face off camera, and then when I come back, we'll do lower lash line and lashes. Okay, so the face is on and we can move on to lashes now. I'm gonna go ahead and do some mascara. This is just the Maybelline Lash Sensational. This isn't the one I usually get. You ever just walk into a store and you forget the mascara that you've been buying for like 10 years? That's what happened to me, and then I came home with this. When I'm doing fake lashes, I don't use too much mascara because I feel like it gets in the way. So I know I've said this like a million times, but I really do want to film more. We're in quarantine, as will further notice, so there's no reason why I can't be filming. So with that being said, you should be getting more content from me. For the lower lash line, I think I'm just gonna go strictly in with this one. I'm just going to throw some mascara onto the bottom lashes. So I'm not doing anything too fancy today. I'm just going in with these Faux Mink Ardell Wispies. And I'm going to use my Duo Lash Glue. I really like these Ardell Wispies because they are super thin. Like the band is super thin. So I feel like they're way more comfortable to wear. Okay, so really quickly, I'm going to go ahead and put this shade in my inner corner. So that shade is super pretty. So now I'm just gonna throw on some lip gloss and we will be done. These are both Jeffree Star lip glosses. This one is Diamond Juice. This one is Control Freak. I usually just put Control Freak on first and then Diamond Juice afterwards. Okay, I'm gonna go get changed and do my hair real quick and we will do final thoughts. So this is the final look that I created with the Morphe Icy Fantasy Palette. All in all, I feel like it's a pretty good palette. I think with the pastels, you kind of need a wet base, but I should have known that. That's kind of typical of pastel shades. But overall, I feel like this is a really nice palette. It blends really well. It's not too chalky. The shimmers in here, I'm gonna have to play more with, but the one that I put on my inner corner. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure to please give me a like, subscribe, comment, anything that you guys want to see from me in the future. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. I am really... So as I said in... Okay. The